So guys, till now we have trained multiple models like elastic net, ridge regression, CV, and all, right? So out of all this particular model, I will probably take the best model, and from here what I see, ridge regression is basically having somewhere around 98.4% accuracy, right? So considering this, what I'm going to do, I'm going to first now probably pickle our files, right? So we want to basically pickle the machine learning models, along with this we will also pickle the pre-processing model, right? So pre-processing model, that is for the standard scalar, and this two model, right, what we are going to do, we are going to use it when we are doing to deployment. Okay, so over here with respect to two things that you will be able to see, if I go ahead and write scalar, right, so this is my standard scalar and obviously the ridge part, right? So if I probably just go and see my ridge, so this is my two models that I'm going to specifically use. Now in order to use this, what I'm actually going to do, I'm going to basically pickle the files. Now for pickling, we have already discussed what I will do. I'll just write import pickle, and then we will go ahead and write pickle.dump. okay, and I'm just going to write scalar, comma, and I'm going to open a file which is called as scalar.pickle. Remember, why did I select probably ridge? Because this may have currently this is having the better accuracy, right? You can also select other if you want, but right now let's go with this ridge one. And again, if you want to make different pickle file, it's up to you. Okay, now I'm going to make the scalar.pickle, and here I'm going to basically write in my write byte mode, and similarly I will go ahead and write pickle.dump, and this time with respect to pickle.dump, I'm going to use the model that we are having, and here the model will be nothing but ridge, and this will be nothing but ridge.pickle. okay, ridge.pickle. So these are the two pickle files that I'm going to use. Now see, what will happen is that in the next video, right, we will implement the end-to-end project solution. Now here we have probably done the EDA, we have done the model training, we have created a pickle file, we know how to do the prediction. So for doing the prediction, what I can do is that I can load this pickle, scalar.pickle and ridge.pickle. For doing the standard scaling, I can use this. For predicting it, I can basically use this particular model, right? So in end-to-end project, we'll focus on probably implementing this from this particular file. We'll take an input, we'll get the output, and then we'll try to see how we can deploy that in AWS and all. I think you have done this entirely when we have discussed about the web scraping project, which was done by Sudhanshu, right? Now in my next video, I'm going to consider this pickle file. I'm going to take it in, probably we'll be using another lab template like like Flask. A lab template will implement in VS Code, and then we'll try to see that how things are getting implemented, right? So in the next video, we'll try to implement this end-to-end project implementation. So yes, this was it from my side. I will see you all in the next video.